Independent sponsors need to be passionate and enthusiastic and driven, purpose driven to build something great. And that's exactly what we find with most of the independent sponsors that we've worked with. They are the essence of private equity. They are bringing private equity back to its origin, back to its roots, building and creating something that better than what is currently there, building a company from the ground up. They need to be that. They need to be honest. They need to have principles. They need to have a purpose. And they need to be extremely driven. Much like a marathon runner, the analogies to a marathon runner are one of the best ones that we can think of. They have to have endurance and stamina and commitment and be sound mentally, emotionally, maybe much more than even physically. As anyone who's ever talked to or read a book about a marathon runner or run a marathon themselves, they know that at mile 16, 18, 20, mile 22 of a marathon, it's much more mental focus that is needed than physical prowess. So, and that's true of independent sponsors. They need to have a purpose. They need to be focused on a goal, and absolutely have principles and be honest. That's what's attractive. That's going to attract sellers. That's going to attract capital that they need to close their deal. It's going to attract key managers that they need to run the company, employees, customers, everything. And that's what we've found with the independent sponsor market. They're extremely driven, extremely principled, and those are the ones that are successful. Stay focused on the goal, and building something great. Building a company or rebuilding a company even better than it already had been, or creating and building something that wasn't there in the first place. Combining businesses and refining them. Can you do that and be really honest and have principles and values? We believe you can. We believe that it's actually essential to have that. That is the key for independent sponsors.